Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the GENTEX. This is their part number 9123HF Photoelectric Smoke Alarm, 120 volt AC, 0.07 amp, 60 Hertz, 135 degree Fahrenheit, isolated thermal tandem interconnect, up to 6 unit, form AC relay with 9 volt battery. So let's take it out of the box. We're going to take a look at the item itself, a little visual review of the item, and then of course look at the installation instructions. Obviously your mounting bracket and your template, cast aluminum mounting bracket, plug-in connector, 12 wire, now let's take a look at the installation instructions which are included herein. Okay, the 9123 is the 120 volt version, 60 Hertz with temporal 3 horn. It is a smoke alarm of a photoelectric type for use as an evacuation device in residential applications, commercial as well. And each smoke alarm has a solid-state piezo signal to warn and alert the household of the presence of threatening smoke. Your photoelectric smoke alarm is designed to detect the smoke that results from an actual fire. Consequently, it is uncommon for household smoke, such as cigarette or normal cooking smoke, to cause an alarm. The first page of the installation instructions that you can see are electrical characteristics, and let's switch this video view to the screen so we can take a look at the installation instructions together. So that page 1 gives that overview of the item itself, the electrical characteristics of the unit here. Okay, we're dealing with an HF model, isolated, and one form C auxiliary relay. And then, interestingly, it goes into how your smoke alarm works. The 9000 series smoke alarm operates on the photoelectric light scatter principle. The unit's sensing chamber houses a light source and a light sensor. The darkened sensing chamber is exposed to the atmosphere and designed to permit optimum smoke entry from any direction while rejecting light from outside the smoke alarm. The light source is an infrared LED which pulses every 8 seconds. The light sensor is a photodiode matched to the light frequency of the LED light source. Under normal conditions, the light generated by the pulsing infrared LED is not seen by the light sensor, as it is positioned out of the direct path of the light beam. When smoke enters the sensing chamber, light from the pulsing LED source is reflected by the smoke particles onto the photodiode light sensor. At the first sighting of smoke, the device is put into a pre-alarm mode. This is indicated by a rapidly flashing LED on the face of the smoke alarm. Once the light sensor confirms smoke for 2 consecutive pulses inside the chamber, the light sensor produces the signal necessary to trigger the alarm and sound the electronic horn. This technique of verifying the smoke condition, combined with a 5-to-1 signal-to-noise ratio, substantially reduces the possibility of nuisance alarms. Troubleshooting here, how to tell if your item is working properly. Smoke alarm provided with an alarm horn and pulsating light-emitting diode, which pulses every 30 seconds. Test knob. Just to on the smoke alarm to test 1, the red LED emitting diode should flash rapidly and the horn should sound. If the battery is low or missing, a chirp will be emitted when the red LED flashes. If the smoke alarm is malfunctioning, the chirp will sound between the red LED flashes. If AC power fails, the green LED will turn off. The test knob on your smoke alarm simulates actual smoke conditions. Fire protection plan on the rest of page 1 there. Continuing into page 2. An overview of the reference information regarding smoke alarms. Placement, where to consider placing them, especially referring to the governing document NFPA 72. Okay. Installation. And your wiring diagram. Information is here. That connector is going to plug into the base of your unit as it's shown here, and then all of the wires are defined here. Okay, what they would plug into: alarm contacts, tandem, page 5 shows the aluminum template or the aluminum mounting bracket, how to go about installing it. And then maintenance on the final page. Okay, let's finish up this video on camera. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the GENTEX products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the GENTEX, this is their part number 9123HF Photoelectric Smoke Detector Alarm, or any other GENTEX product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.